Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have the original short file locally. If not, download it from YouTube Studio immediately. Once done, set up a new project in your editor and choose vertical 9, 16 at 1080 x 1920, and a duration under 60 seconds. You should duplicate the clip so you can experiment without altering the master. Make quick trims now to isolate the critical 3/7-second hook that will drive retention. This first cut defines the rest of your process. You move into detailed execution by refining pacing and metadata. First, punch up the opening. Tighten cuts to deliver the hook within the first 3/7 seconds, then paste the remainder for immediate reward. Once the edit feels sharp, add burned captions and compliant music, then color correct and export at high bitrate. As you export, write a concise title and description using keywords and include hash shorts. Select tags and audience settings. These choices tell YouTube how to surface your new short. You finish by uploading the new file as the only reliable replacement. YouTube does not let you swap the source file on an existing short. Once uploaded, set visibility, public, unlisted, or scheduled, add it to a playlist, and paste the new link where the old one appeared. After publishing, delete the original if you want to avoid duplicates. If the short fails to appear in the shorts shelf or gets limited distribution, make sure it is vertical 9, 16, under 60 seconds and includes hash shorts. Reprocess if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.